Ulsan, North Gyeongsang Province has been battling with wildfire for more than a week now. As the blaze spread, the government is investigating the cause of the wildfire, but some believe that it was from spontaneous combustion. If someone sets a fire on purpose, the person responsible could be subject to legal punishment. Today, let's learn about arson. Arson. Arson is a crime that occurs when you set fire to damage the life or property of another person or endanger public safety. Not everyone who sets a fire is charged with arson. It is arson only if there was an intention to harm others by fire, that is, an intention to commit arson. It has been considered a serious crime and has been severely punished in the past, and even today, it is categorized as one of the big 5 serious criminal offenses along with murder, robbery, rape, and drugs. Since many people can suffer if a fire spreads through arson, you will still be punished even if there is no casualty or property damage due to arson if you set the fire intentionally. Types of arson. Korean criminal law divides the types of arson offenses into the following categories. Setting fire to present living building. A present living building is a building in which people currently live, or even if not so, currently occupied by people. The present living buildings include houses and apartments, of course, as well as trains, cars, and planes. If you set fire to a present living building, you will be punished by imprisonment for life or 3 years or more. If a person is killed or injured, the punishment is more severe. Setting fire to other structures, etc. Even if people do not inhabit the building, you will be punished if you set a fire on purpose. However, the punishment is weaker than setting fire to a present living building. It is important to note that you will be punished even if you set fire to buildings of your own, not just others, because there is a possibility that the fire will spread around and cause great damage. Setting fire to general goods. Even if it is not a building or a car, setting fire to common objects that we see daily will also get punished. The law also applies when the objects are owned by yourself. Arson under the Forest Protection Act. According to the Forest Protection Act, the act of setting fire to a forest other than buildings or objects is punishable by imprisonment for not less than 7 years and not more than 15 years. Fire caused by negligence. While arson punishes the act of intentionally setting a fire, fire caused by negligence punishes accidental fire. If you start a fire by not paying attention, you will be punished even if it's a mistake, as it can cause great damage. Fire caused by negligence also punishes the act of setting fire to a building or property that belongs to you. However, since you did not intentionally set the fire, the punishment is lighter than that of arson. Fire caused by negligence can commonly happen in our daily life, such as cigarette butts that are improperly thrown away or fire for cooking that's improperly managed, resulting in a fire.